In this video, I'm going to show you how to make faceless YouTube shorts using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we begin, there is an important thing to mention. If you'd like to follow along or simply try out this AI tool for yourself, you can use the link in the description to test Pictory for free. Let's jump right in. Once you land on the site, click on the Start for Free button and sign in using your Google account to get immediate access. After signing in, you'll be prompted to select why you want to use Pictory, so go ahead and choose the option that best fits creating faceless shorts or reels. This is the Pictory.ai dashboard. Along the top, you'll see the main features, but for this tutorial, I'm going to focus primarily on text to video and briefly touch on a couple of other tools. Text to video is essentially the core feature for creating faceless YouTube shorts, and once you understand how to use it, creating viral short-form videos with AI becomes much easier. Everything connects back to the dashboard, so getting comfortable here will make the whole process smoother. Let's start by clicking on Text to Video, which allows you to transform a written script into an engaging faceless video. The first step is entering your video name, which serves as the title. Below that is where you paste your script. It doesn't matter how you create the script. You can write it yourself, use ChatGPT, or generate it with any AI tool you prefer. I already have a script prepared, so I'll paste that in and share a few tips along the way. Once the script is added, you'll see several scene settings, including options like auto-highlight keywords, auto-visual selection, and creating new scenes. I usually keep these enabled and prefer creating new scenes based on sentence and line breaks, which works especially well for shorts and reels. One important tip for faceless YouTube shorts is to avoid long, run-on sentences. Earlier, this script contained a single long sentence, but I split it into two by using ellipses and a line break. This helps prevent overcrowding text on one frame. Shorter, punchier sentences tend to perform better visually in shorts and reels, and the ellipses signal to viewers that more is coming, encouraging them to keep watching. You don't need to do this for every sentence, but it's very helpful when dealing with longer ones. Ideally, your script should be clean, readable, and visually balanced. You can also adjust the video format here, switching to portrait for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, or Square for Instagram posts. Once everything looks good, click the Generate Video button. After that, you'll be prompted to select a theme for your video. Choose the theme that best matches the style and vibe you want for your faceless content, since this controls how the text, visuals, and overall layout look throughout the video. After selecting your theme, the video will begin generating, and you'll be taken into the editor where you can start making further adjustments. Now, let's walk through the editor. When you click on a specific scene, it opens for editing. You can select scenes either from the timeline or directly from the preview area. Right away, you'll notice that some visuals may not be ideal, and that's perfectly normal. These can be easily changed. Visuals are usually the most time-consuming part of creating viral AI shorts, so let's focus there. If you see a visual you don't like, click on the Visuals tab and scroll through the available options. Look for something relevant to the script and visually engaging. For example, if the scene is about YouTube growth, choosing a clip that shows someone scrolling or clicking on YouTube makes sense. Once you select a new visual, it replaces the old one instantly. You'll repeat this process for each scene, matching visuals as closely as possible to the on-screen text. As you go through the scenes, make sure the visuals align with the message. For instance, a scene about search traffic works well with visuals showing someone searching online. If a clip looks outdated, you can search for a fresher alternative using a more specific keyword. Sometimes, adjusting your search terms makes a big difference. For concepts like evergreen content, you might need to think creatively. Searching evergreen alone may show forests, but using related ideas like money, growth, or charts can convey the same concept more effectively. The key is deciding how precise you want to be. Being less picky speeds up the process, while more precision improves the polish and viral potential. This same approach applies to all scenes. For a line about long-term views, you might choose visuals of someone recording videos or watching content on their phone. There's no single right answer as long as the visual supports the message. This part of the process typically takes the longest, but once you get used to it, you can move through scenes very quickly. Next is the audio section, which includes background music and AI voiceovers. Background music is simple to add. Just browse, preview tracks, and apply one if you like it. You can remove it at any time if you want to focus more on the voice. For voiceovers, Pictory offers both premium and standard AI voices, including multilingual options powered by 11 Labs. The premium voices generally sound more natural, but there are plenty of solid standard options that work great for faceless YouTube shorts. You can preview different voices, choose the one you like, and apply it to your video. If you prefer recording your own voice, that's also an option. Simply select a scene, click the microphone icon, record your narration, save it, and apply it. You can repeat this for each scene if you want full control over the narration. There's also an upload option if you use external voiceover software. You can upload pre-recorded audio files and apply them directly to your scenes. Another useful feature is branding. This allows you to upload your logo, choose brand colors, and maintain a consistent look across all your faceless videos. You can create a brand profile, add your logo, select colors, and even associate visuals, music, or voices with it. Once saved, you can apply this branding to future shorts and reels to speed up your workflow and stay consistent. Back in the editor, the Styles section lets you change the overall look of your video quickly. You can preview different styles and see how they affect text, backgrounds, and highlighted keywords. If you find one you like, you can apply it to all scenes with a single click. This is a fast way to unify the look of your AI-generated shorts without manually editing each scene. There are plenty of styles available, so feel free to experiment. Text editing is straightforward. The main script at the bottom is what gets narrated by the AI voice. Any additional on-screen text can be clicked, edited, or deleted as needed. Elements add a bit of fun and flexibility, allowing you to include arrows, stickers, GIFs, or emojis. You can search for elements, add them to scenes, move them around, or remove them easily. These are optional extras, but they can help emphasize points and boost engagement in short-form videos. Formatting options let you adjust orientation and resolution. If you want higher quality, selecting 1080p is recommended. When everything is finished, you can preview the video and download it. Previewing a scene lets you hear the voiceover and see how the visuals and text come together. Overall, the editor is very intuitive. Most of the effort goes into matching visuals with the script and making small refinements. After you've finished editing and are happy with your video, click the Download button in the top right corner of the editor. You'll see options to download your video with watermark, or if you're a premium user, without watermark. For free users, select Download with Watermark. Pictory will process your video, and once ready, it will be saved to your computer. To upload your video as a YouTube short, go to YouTube Studio and click the Create button at the top right. Then select Upload Videos. Drag and drop your video file or click Select Files to upload it. Make sure your video is vertical and under 60 seconds so it qualifies as a short. Fill in the description, choose whether the video is made for kids or not, and select a visibility option like Public. YouTube Shorts do not require a custom thumbnail, as YouTube automatically selects one. Once everything looks good, click Publish, and your AI-generated faceless YouTube short will be live on your channel. Beyond text to video, Pictory also offers URL to video, which is another powerful feature for faceless content. By pasting in a URL, Pictory pulls the source article and generates an AI-powered summary. That summary becomes the script for your video, and from there, the editing process is exactly the same. You can edit, reorder, add, or delete scenes as needed. This makes turning blog posts or articles into viral shorts incredibly fast. Once you understand how the main editor works, creating faceless YouTube shorts and reels with AI becomes effortless. If you don't like a scene, you can remove it instantly. When you proceed, the video is generated and brought back into the familiar editor interface for final tweaks. That wraps up this tutorial on how to make faceless YouTube shorts using AI and create viral reels with AI. If you'd like to try Pictory for yourself, use the link in the description to test it for free.